What's up, YouTube? This is Power Surge, and I brought my favorite dog co-host, Buffy. Today, we want to talk to you about Bitcoin Cash and what has been going on with Bitcoin since the SEGWIT2x hard fork was canceled. So many people have been buying into Bitcoin over the last few months, and you may know that Bitcoin's rallied from only $1,000 some odd dollars this year to over 7,000. And in the recent months, a lot of the hype has been because of the forks. So everyone who had Bitcoin when the Bitcoin fork for Bitcoin Cash happened back in August, they were awarded free currency, and a lot of them sold it off. Now, people were anticipating that Bitcoin was going to fork again with this SEGWIT2x fork, and people had been dumping their money into Bitcoin. As you can see from this chart, Bitcoin rallied a lot in the last few months because people were hyped up and they were hoping for this free new currency, BIT2X. For the Bitcoin SEGWIT2x fork. So when that got canceled, Bitcoin actually rallied a bit because a lot of the community was not behind the new Bitcoin fork. People were kind of thinking that this is starting to look like something that happens in the stock market where we cause this blockchain to fork when it's not necessary or beneficial, and people just use it to milk some asset that they receive and sell it off and basically milk money out of forking the blockchain. So when this was canceled, it actually put a lot more money into Bitcoin. However, in the last 24 hours, a lot of that money that was in the SEGWIT futures, which actually came out recently, these were future bets on what the price of BIT2X would be when the hard fork happened on November 16th, which was when it was projected to happen. So it didn't happen, and millions of dollars that were in these futures have now gone into Bitcoin, and as of today at least, from Bitcoin, a lot of money is going into Bitcoin Cash, which was the first hard fork that happened back in August. So Bitcoin Cash actually has seen some crazy movement. When I got into it, it was a little less than $600, and it wasn't even the perfect timing. Over the last month, as you can see, Bitcoin Cash has actually dropped a lot. It went all the way down to 300 some odd dollars, and it stayed there for a week or two. Now, with this SEGWIT2x hype, people sold their Bitcoin Cash and they put their money into Bitcoin, right? Because you think if you're going to get free currency with your Bitcoin, why would you hold this Bitcoin Cash? Or maybe they bet on the SEGWIT2x futures. Well, SEGWIT2x didn't happen. So that futures money and some of that Bitcoin money is going back into Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is soaring because of that. It's gone from $300 a few weeks ago to $600 the last week, and now today we saw it move back above $1,000. The high so far has been $1,080. So in just a couple weeks, we've seen Bitcoin Cash more than triple, and it's pulled a little money from Bitcoin and definitely sucked a lot of money out of the SEGWIT2x futures market. So just wanted to give you an update on Bitcoin Cash, what's kind of going on, and I still am very excited about Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. So I hold both, and if you don't have any and you would like to acquire some Bitcoin, it's pretty easy. If you want to get started, you click the link below that takes you to Coinbase, and from there you can just make an account. You can buy Bitcoin through your bank very easily, just like you would buy and sell stock on your iPhone. I want to make sure you know that if forks happen and Coinbase doesn't support it, you won't be issued the new currency. So you may want to move your currency from Coinbase onto another exchange, such as Kraken or some other form. That way, when forks happen, you're actually awarded the currency when it happens, if Coinbase doesn't honor the new currency. Coinbase was going to honor BIT2X, however, and that didn't happen. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, smash that like button. Go ahead and leave a comment. Tell me what you think of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash and all the crazy price action that's happened in the last few weeks. Go ahead and subscribe because I make videos all the time. And as always, have a great day. Right, Buffy? Buffy got a haircut if you haven't noticed.